In the chemical industry, precision isn't just important, it's critical. From sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product, every link in your supply chain must be meticulously managed to ensure safety, compliance, and profitability. Let's explore how Sage X3 helps streamline every aspect of your supply chain. Efficient logistics is the backbone of a strong supply chain. With Sage X3, you gain real-time visibility into shipments, streamline supplier coordination, and optimize routes, reducing delays and ensuring on-time deliveries. Managing chemical formulations requires accuracy and consistency. Sage X3's product management capabilities help you track ingredients, maintain batch consistency, and manage expiration dates efficiently, ensuring quality control at every step. One of the biggest challenges in chemical manufacturing is balancing demand, raw materials, and production capacity. This is where MRP, material requirements planning, makes all the difference. With Sage X3's MRP capabilities, manufacturers can 1. Accurately forecast demand by analyzing historical data and real-time market trends. 2. Automate procurement and supplier management to prevent stockouts and over-purchasing. 3. Optimize production scheduling to ensure production aligns with material availability. 4. Reduce waste and improve cost efficiency by optimizing resource utilization. Beyond production, Sage X3 helps businesses streamline global procurement, reducing delays and ensuring smooth, cost-effective operations, no matter where you source materials. With built-in regulatory compliance for GHS, REACH, and OSHA, you can be confident that every product meets industry and safety standards, reducing the risk of costly recalls or compliance violations. Handling hazardous goods requires strict safety protocols. Sage X3 enables proper storage, tracking, and reporting, helping your business adhere to global safety and environmental regulations with ease. Stay ahead of demand with real-time inventory tracking. Sage X3 provides accurate forecasting, preventing overstocking or shortages while ensuring optimal resource utilization. Unlock the full potential of your chemical supply chain with Sage X3. And if you need help customizing it for your business, our experts are ready to assist. Let's build a smarter, safer, and more efficient supply chain, together.